Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amir and I talk about data, cloud, and machines. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos that will help you to become a data scientist or take your data science skills to the next level. To use RStudio on the cloud. So if for any reason you don't have RStudio, which is this icon, if you for some reason do not have it on your computer or you're using somebody else's computer and they don't have RStudio installed and you're just like, okay, I just need something on the go and on the cloud. So it's pretty easy. Just go to Google and start typing RStudio Cloud with one I, and that should take you to the RStudio Cloud webpage. So what it is just an RStudio, which is really lightweight, cloud-based solution and allows you to do, share, teach, and learn data science. But depends what you're really doing. So get it started for free. Yep, I just want it for free. No, I don't need Plus because I'll have to pay $5 per month. I'm just gonna go say, okay, sign up. And that should take me to the sign up page. Is just input your email. So my email is amirtaki@hotmail.com. I'm just gonna use a password that is secure. Okay, and that's my password. The strength is high, which is great. And my first name and my last name. Okay, you can also use your Gmail or your GitHub account to sign up. I'm just gonna use my email. Sign up. This is gonna send a verification email to the mail that I have provided. Yep, save those details. So I'm just gonna go to my email and verify that it was me and I have been registering for RStudio on the cloud. In my email, I can click on the rstudio.cloud verification email. So just verify your email. Email verified, thank you for verifying. So just go back to the original page and click on continue. And that will take you to the environment of RStudio on the cloud. So here you have your workspace that you might be able to edit, whatever your preferences is in terms of color. How do you keep your projects? How do you name your project? And everything that will kind of customize this workspace for your taste. So when you are in the workspace, let me show you what different tabs and different buttons mean really for you. So if you click on your name, so this should be your first name and last name. This is pretty much your account details. You can either log out, you can look at profile, you can add a photo, you can go to your account information, you can also go to your authentication and credentials. Also, there is some details about your plan, which is a free cloud-based RStudio. Current usage period, because this gets recorded in your usage data, shows how many projects you can have. So you can have a max of 50 projects on the free account, and the number of hours you can only use 25 hours of free space, which is still pretty good. So if you go to your usage tab, that will show you how many project hours you have used and how many active projects you have. And hopefully there will be some graph data here. And also about you can see a lot of information about customizing your personal space. But I'm just going to go back to my project and I'll show you what is on the left menu. So you can create a new space if you wanted. I'm just going to go ahead and call it Amir's test space. Okay. And that's going to give me a new space. And this space can have up to 10 more projects. So I can add 10 more projects. And I can see that here on the left, I am in Amir's test space. I can see all projects and trash, and I can also make a new list. So let's make a new project. Do you want a new RStudio project or a new Jupyter project? You can select either or. I'm just going to go ahead and choose my RStudio project. This will prepare an environment for me to start typing an R script and kind of deploying, looking at the results and all that, which is really good. While this is deploying, okay, it's done. It should pop up anytime now. You can name your project. Let's call it test project while it is loading. And that's the name that it will be saved. So this is exactly what you would expect from an RStudio environment. You couldn't really see this left pane and the top, but this is your RStudio environment, which is really good. So you can go ahead, create an RS script, and type whatever you want, run it, which is really good. So if I go back to my space, I will have this running instance of RStudio project, and that's pretty much it about how to make an RStudio. But also you can go to the learn part, which there is guide, what's new, primers, a lot of really cool cheat sheets that I really recommend. So there is cheat sheets for Python with R and reticulate, factors with factors. So many really useful cheat sheets. Then in the help section, you have the RStudio community, super helpful, a lot of helpful people out there that you can reach out and ask questions. And then there is an info pane for plans and pricing. So for now, we are on the free tier. And if you were to go if you're ready to pay, you find it really useful, you can go ahead and convert. So that's pretty much for RStudio on the cloud. Feel free to ask any questions and ask for new videos if you want me to post new videos. Thank you.